friends! Do you want to fly bird kites with me?
Let's make it together!
Let's see what materials we need first. Stapler, colored paper, cotton thread. We also need glue stick, scissors. Let's get started. Fold the paper along the dotted line. Then fold out the bird's wings. Use the stapler to secure the wings. Punch a small hole. Thread the cotton through the hole. Tie a knot. Cut out the bird's beak and tail. Apply glue. Stick on the bird's beak and the tail. Then draw the bird's eyes. The little bird kite is complete. The kite is just like a little bird. It has a light body and big wings.
That's right. That's how it can fly high. Remember to run against the wind. The kite will fly up more easily.
Got it, Mommy.
Kids, make a kite together with your mommy and daddy.